All right, boys, let's move it out. Keep moving.
At the heart of our program is the factory process, utilizing registered pedigree data to guarantee
Look at the depth in this dewlap and the elevation of that hump. He exhibits superior muscularity throughout the hindquarter.
As the Brahman cattle calmly walk down the ramp, the low-stress design with its gentle slope and non-slip surface is clearly evident.
Check the hide on this one, B9er. Localized swelling.
Confirmed, marking it for review.
Eyes look good, skin clear. Shift your weight slightly. Okay, the animal is moving freely and shows no signs of distress. This hide looks good, minimal damage on the flank. Scanner confirms adequate fat depth here. Quality grade B for this one.
By systematically recording the body condition score, assessing fat cover and muscling, we determine the expected yield of the herd.
These tags match the manifest. Cross-reference the lot number before finalizing. Done. Inspection complete.
Here we see the low-stress handling system, a hallmark of modern USDA-certified beef facilities designed to minimize animal stress.
This one is cleared. Next carcass shows no signs of concern. All right, push it through to chilling. Traceability confirmed on this lot. Stage for transfer.
Roger that. Loading for the leather facility now.
Maturity looks good, A maturity. Marbling is sufficient for low choice.
I concur. Slight adjustment needed on the select rail.
Based on the marbling standards, this Brahman carcass assesses as high prime, establishing premium commercial value. The fat cover is right at 4/10.
Confirmed. That puts it solidly in yield grade 1.
As part of the factory process, we use the ribeye area measurement grid to accurately calculate the USDA yield grade.
I'm carefully removing the ribeye primal now. You can already see the exceptional marbling of this prime Brahman beef.
Here at the factory process station, we're breaking down these massive Brahman briskets, preparing the most sought after cuts in American barbecue.
Quality control is integrated into every step, guaranteeing the final product meets our rigorous standards.
See the distinctive neck fold texture? The structure is loose, exactly what we look for in a premium Brahman hide. Fine short-haired surface confirms the quality. See the grain on this dewlap section? That texture is unique to the Brahman.
Yeah, it's perfect for the premium tooling grade.
The shoulder and neck areas require special attention due to the collagen structure.
Understood.
We must ensure unit penetration here.
The extraordinary difference in grain architecture is clearly visible.
This batch traces back to the El Dorado Ranch, correct?
Yeah.
Yes, the provenance matches the quality grade. Sign here for lot approval.
Looks good. Certified premium.
Mercy Consentness.
Every item is meticulously prepared, ensuring the authentic American luxury experience begins the moment the package arrives. From the Texas ranch to our master artisans, every step of the Brahman process is fully traceable and entirely American. Here we see the remarkable progression of our premium leather. Decades of use only enhance its character.
From the Texas prairie to the finest atelier, we oversee every step. This is the new standard of American luxury.
It started with the herd.
We built the infrastructure, from beef to leather, and now we're taking our luxury brand worldwide.
Yeah, Brahman! Woohoo! Great year!
Experience the extraordinary story of American integrated luxury production. From our ranch to the finest table and boutique,